cringy YouTube intro. Check.
I think I just fell in love with a porn star.
Yo, what up, gang? Welcome back to the vlog. So I was lying in bed last night and I got a couple of things on today. I think we're about to go up to Mooloolaba, go get coffee somewhere, and then I think we're gonna go to the beach, get a training session in, and get some good food. So when I was lying there thinking about what we were gonna do throughout the day, I was like, fuck it, you know what? I'm gonna bring the camera along and just try and pump out a little vlog before I have to go back to work next week. Gonna try this time. I'm gonna try really hard to keep it under 20 minutes. Try and keep it around the 7-minute mark. So that's my goal for today. But I'll explain more when I get in the car. Bae's just made up some granola and yogurt, so I'm gonna get dressed, eat that, and we're gonna get out the door, and I'll get you guys on game about what we're getting onto today. All right, I'll see you in the car. All right, so before we go, I wanna show you guys, I've got 4 boxes here of pickups that I've got since I've been down. Now we're gonna go out and do our shit today, but hang around to the end of the video if you wanna see what sneakers I did pick up. There's a couple pairs of Dunks and some special too that I've been waiting for. All right, so if you wanna see that, hang to the end of the video. So we're here at Rice Boy. I think what we're going to get is, last time I was here we got the 10-hour coconut braised beef curry. And then we can never come to a good Asian spot without getting some bao. So we're going to get some chicken bao, and then as a side we're going to get some dashi fries. No fucking clue what the fuck that is, but it comes with Sabi mayo, so that's me. So we're going to have this food, and then we're going to hit the gym. Alright, now that food was A1. The only bad thing about it was that in the actual restaurant itself was so hot. So I was sitting there trying to enjoy a meal, we were just dripping. But apart from that, the food was so good. Like that curry never disappoints. And then we tried out these new fries. We weren't sure what they were. It ended up just being potato chips with like wasabi mayo on it, which was bomb. And then we also got some bao buns, but my dumb ass didn't read the menu enough and we only got 1 bao bun. So being a good boyfriend, gave it to the girl, but that's all good. But now we're gonna get into a little bit of training. We're gonna train some legs and try and burn off these carbs. So we'll get in the car, we'll head down to Kawana, and we'll get this working. All right, now let's get it. Now I know I did say that when we get home, at the end of this video, I was gonna show you guys what some pickups were, but I did wear a pair today that I literally just got in this morning. Now when I go back to the house, I'll tell you the big story about how much of a fuck around it was to get these. But what I'm rocking on feet today is the Nike Dunk High Spartan Green. These are so fresh and they look good with a pair of shorts in the summertime. Love them. Fuck. Alright, so I didn't bring anything to put pre-workout in. So we have to go raw dog on it, which I haven't done in a long time. And this scoop is big. Oh, alright, bottoms up. That's why I haven't done it in a long time. Alright, let's get this puppy kicked in and try some legs. Woo! back out. Now, we'll go back to the house so we can check out these pickups like you've all been waiting for. Alright, let's get it. Alright, we finally made it. End of the video. Like I promised, we're gonna go through some sneakers and I'll show you guys what I picked up. So this is the first pickup I got. This one I was actually waiting to come out again. I don't know why. Like a couple of years ago, I really just wanted a pair of the Air Up Tempos in the OG colorway. I like to call them the Air George of the Jungles. If you didn't realize that, actually in George of the Jungle, when he goes back to Africa, when he runs through the jungle, these are the shoes he actually puts on. So super nostalgic. And when I got the notification that Foot Locker actually dropped these, because I didn't actually realize they were coming out at all. But when they came out, I just quickly jumped on and grabbed my pair for retail, because these were reselling for like $700-800, depending on where you got them from. And because I know they always bring them out, I was like, I'm not paying it. I'll just wait till they come out again. And then the pair you see me rocking today, the Spartan Greens in the Dunk Highs, I actually did change the laces up on these straight away. Definitely prefer the white over the green in them, but these are a super solid pickup. I actually loved wearing them with shorts too. I've never really been a guy who wears high tops with shorts just because I think I'm more body than legs. Maybe, I don't know. It just, like, high tops and shorts always just looked weird on me. But I actually frothed them today, so super glad I got these. And these took forever to get here. I got them from Farfetch. It usually takes, like, if I order something on a Thursday, it's usually at my door on a Tuesday. But I ordered these like the end of last year, so it took like 3 weeks. Like Australia Post did such a shit job at just sending them all over the place before I fucking got them. But I finally have them. That's the main thing. Super stoked on these. Second pair of highs I got were the Varsity Maze. Really got these because I really love the Wu-Tang Dunks, but obviously they make 12 pairs of them. Never gonna get my hand on a pair, but this is still pretty much exactly the same without the Wu-Tang on the back. Ended up copying these from StockX, and these were actually really quick too. When I ordered them, I think I got them within like 2 weeks, where it usually takes like 3 to 4 to get stuff from StockX to Australia. So that's my third pickup. And then the last one I got was the Dunks, and I think they call them the Panda colorway, but they're just black and white Dunk Lows. Super simple colorway, easy to wear with everything. That's why when I seen the images coming out that these were releasing, I was like, I have to get these. I was so gutted. I can't remember what the colorway was called, but like the kind of like the UNC colorway. Only came out women's sizes, being a 13. Like, I'm just not gonna get, what is it, like a 14.5 in ladies. So ended up having to pass on those, but got the black and white, so love that. Alright guys, so we've made it to the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for everyone who made it this far. I really appreciate everyone who clicks on my videos. Don't really like saying it, but just to get back into the feel of things and get everyone reacquainted, if you could smash the subscribe button, that would be so good. I'm really trying to push to get those followers up and up so we can push more and more content. And if you want to help the algorithm out, just smash the like button too. Fuck it, why not? Don't cost anything. But if you don't, fuck it. That's you. I don't like every video I watch either. So, but thanks anyways, guys. I'm going to sign out for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I can tell that you came with a Disney flow, ayy. Ain't nobody ever heard about your Disney show, ayy. Got a bitch that remind me of my cereal from Britain. When I see her, I'm like Cheerio.